Happy Thursday, everyone! Have you kept up your July general maintenance? Is your carbon monoxide detector up to date? Is your fire extinguisher expired? Does your yard look like a mini jungle? Well, let me explain to you just how dangerous your life can be if these items go unchecked. Carbon monoxide isn't visible to the human eye. It also does not have a smell, thus making it extremely dangerous. Without a carbon monoxide detector, if an earthquake were to happen and shift your piping, causing a slight carbon monoxide leak, there would be no way to identify the leak. Anyone in the exposed area would suffer from carbon monoxide poisoning, which, in severe cases, can cause you to pass out or even die. So keep yourself and your family safe by calling us, and we will update or install your carbon monoxide detector for you. On to fire extinguishers. Does yours have an expiration date, and do you regularly check it? Do you know which fire extinguisher to use depending on the type of fire you're dealing with? And most importantly, do you know how to properly extinguish that fire? Most fire extinguishers will last 5 to 15 years. But if it doesn't have an expiration date, how would you know? You wouldn't. It's better to have a fire extinguisher and not use it than to have the need for it and not have one. There are up to 5 different types of extinguishers: water, dry powder, foam, CO2, and wet chemical. Water is not typically used because dry powder is considered much more efficient. Dry powder is the most commonly used fire extinguisher and most likely the one you have. It is made to extinguish live electrical equipment, gaseous fires, flammable liquids, wood, paper, textiles, and other related items. Dry powder is able to handle the majority of fires. However, it is recommended to have a wet chemical fire extinguisher as well. The wet chemical fire extinguishers are only for cooking oil fires, and if needed, wood, paper, and textiles as well. So now go outside and practice the pass method. P, pull the pin. A, aim the hose towards the base of the fire. S, squeeze the lever slowly and smoothly. S, sweep the hose side to side. Now you know how to extinguish a fire. And last, but definitely not least, maintaining your yard growth. Even if you don't plan on selling your home soon, wouldn't it be nice to get a little extra once you do? Well, having a nice yard and backyard can add to your curb appeal, thus leading to higher bids on your home. Not only will you get more money from selling, but you won't have rodents and pests infesting your beautiful garden. If you regularly check for weeds, rodents, and pests, it will make having a beautiful yard just that much easier. Well, thank you all so much for your time. Have fun checking your carbon monoxide detectors, fire extinguishers, and yard. We would love for you to leave a like or a comment down below if you enjoyed this video, and while you're down there, if you would like to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon so you're notified every other Thursday when we post our videos, that would be amazing. Thank you all, have a great end to your weekend, and see you next Thursday.